from losing everything gained in seconds.
Oh, what? Okay, anyway.
To going crazy after multiple losses.
Stupid, stupid, stupid.
Here are the moments when TJR loses everything within a few minutes. Starting with when TJR went into the trenches in his day trading.
Go retard, Doge! Go retard! Yes! 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 Oh my goodness, it's cooking! No! What? Okay, anyways. What I was saying is, obviously, we need to stop trading with our emotion. Alright, guys, so pretty much just lost the whole account on this one.
Losing all he gained in minutes is insane, but in the next clip, he even went deeper.
On that, I lost 18,000 on this short. I'm still going to be looking for shorts here.
Losing $38,000 in day trading was crazy. The next clip was even crazier.
Okay, we push past this low. Is this a break of structure? Somebody answer for me? No!
If you think that crash out was understandable, what will you say in the next clip?
This bullshit on the chart, so I'm just gonna mark out the significant draws on liquidity that we need to see. So we have London low, we have Asian session low, previous day low already got swept out on both. London low, Asia low, previous day low. And then we have London high, and then I'm going to go ahead and put on Asia high as well. And then we have these stacks of low resistance liquidity, 30-minute high, 30-minute high, 30-minute high, 30-minute high. Beautiful. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, cool. So now that we've done that, NASDAQ is kind of being obnoxious. That's an obnoxiously large leg down. We do have these lows. I really don't see any other point that NASDAQ would be looking to target on the high time frame for us to like go towards on NASDAQ besides those lows. On the S&P 500, we have this low. We're nowhere near these lows. So what I'm thinking right now, NASDAQ is way more oversold than ES. I'm thinking we're gonna make some sort of high time frame SMT off of these lows. Do I think that's going to happen today? You know, I mean, with this first candle, potentially. But, you know, I don't think it has to happen today. It's just something that we can keep our eyes out for. I do think that because NASDAQ is moving so forcefully down, ES will come through and take out these lows, but the lows that the SMT is going to be made off of are these ones right here. So these are the ones that we want to see NASDAQ take out, right here. But on the S&P 500, I don't think that it will take it out just because of how much farther up we are on the chart. So that's what I see. We'll honestly just have to wait for price. We could be making a bullish SMT right here. Again, I would love to target these relative equal highs right here. That would be awesome, especially because NASDAQ already took out London low, Asia low, previous day low, all that. That would be fire, but like, holy smokes, dude, this is a OD.
Instead of trading the leading index, ES, which was showing strength, he chose to trade NASDAQ.
It's moving. It's not that it's moving at an uncomfortable rate for me, but I would just rather the markets be moving a little bit slower so I can make I don't know. It's moving too quick for me to want to make to be able to make a sound decision. I need more like caffeine to dial this shit in. Okay. I think we're gonna go lower. Big ass SMT. Off these highs. You know, ES wouldn't be a bad play here. It wouldn't be a horrible play because we have these London lows and then these hourly lows. Or what are these? The Asian lows, sorry. ES wouldn't be a horrible play. If I wanted in, that was probably the entry. Price is just moving right now. 947. Yeah, bro. I just don't really want to jump into anything that I'm not 100% on, if I'm being completely honest. We're still in this like weird, like we swept out London highs, but we also swept out these low. It's like, you know, like we could be making it.
By choosing the lagging index, his position didn't move as strongly as the leaders. Looking at it, the correct index for him to trade was the ES, but what happened next was shocking.
And ES is moving quick, like fast and strong to the upside, but NASDAQ is lacking. NASDAQ is loafing, bruh. Loafing. NASDAQ's loafing, bruh. I don't fuck with that at all. To me, it's looking like the direction for the day wants to be up, though. It's looking like the direction wants to be up, but NASDAQ is just lackadaisical right now, man. ES is ripping. Again, that's one of the reasons why I've started taking the leading index rather than the lagging index. This was the lagging index on that bullish S&T. Lagging index doesn't really have as much volatility and volume as the leading index. I just didn't want to take it on ES because we had already taken out these highs. But man, ES would have been the play. Meanwhile, NASDAQ is just fucking stuck. ES will probably want to come up and take out these highs here. Like literally just bare minimum, I would want NASDAQ to come up and take out these 5-minute highs right here. I'll take profits there for sure, just because of how slow this is moving, even though it's like a negative, or not a negative risk to reward, but a 0. whatever, or 1 to 0.77 risk to reward. I'll take profits there just to secure something. But you know, hey man, profit is profit. Can't knock it. There we go. The S&P 500 is just ripping right now, and NASDAQ is just, again, it's being lackadaisical. But we're gonna hit these 5-minute highs for sure. We'll hit these 5-minute highs. I wish that I took the trade on ES though. I wish that I would took the trade on ES, but it is what it is. We have these market open highs as well. These pre-market highs right here. You know, we still have some potential with this. So
at one point, he considered securing smaller profits multiple times, but he held out waiting for the bigger ones. Twice, TJR was inches from hitting a $20,000 take profit, but he refused to lock in.
Are we being serious right now? Do I move my stop to break even on this? I feel like I shouldn't. Weird. See how these candles close. If it's just a wick, then that's gorgeous and that's great for us, but this is honestly taking way longer than I would like. Okay, that should be able to fuel us to get up to these highs now. Okay, wow, I'm literally dead shot break even on the week, or I'm actually up $10 this week. So I lost 22,720 bucks. I'm up $10 on the week. Honestly, bruh.
With the market reversing and sweeping his stop loss, he lost $22,720. In the next video, TJR entered too early instead of waiting for the liquidity sweep to confirm his bias.
Not only do we have relative equal highs on the 5-minute, but we also have relative equal highs via high time frame highs, where we have 4-hour highs right here, 4-hour highs right here, and 4-hour highs right here. We got a lot of high time frame low resistance liquidity and low time frame low resistance liquidity. I want to be able to find a trade that goes up to these highs, or find a trade that reacts off of those highs. So that's my bias for the day. We are taking action off of these highs. NASDAQ, it's not as clear because we already took out those highs that we wanted to on ES. So yes, maybe this is a high time frame SMT off of those highs that I want to get swept on ES. But regardless, I think we are going to want to target these bad boys. NASDAQ already came up and took them out. ES, we just have a shit ton. We have 1, 2, and 3 highs that are just stacked up together. And then on top of that, we have this 4-hour high right here. Market just opened. That is a super strong draw. On the high time frame, we made another big move up last night. We have a new week opening gap, massive new week opening gap from the Chinese tariff news. And then we also have these 2 lows that are low resistance draws on liquidity on the 4-hour. And then I mentioned this to Blueprint students yesterday as well. Also, I have mentioned this multiple times now in several different trade recaps. I said that this was the weekly objective. This high right here was the weekly objective. I said that multiple times as we were down here. We crushed it. Now that we're above this, I would like to see profit taking just like we would any other high time frame high getting swept out. Obviously, this big bullish candle is great for our investments, but we are mega extended on the daily time frame and the 4-hour time frame. I would like to see a retrace, whether that retrace is coming down underneath these 4-hour lows right here, or down to this weekly new week opening gap.
Although he debated taking shorts, but forced himself not to because he was fixated on catching longs to the upside.
Go down, go down, go down. We high key could take shorts off of this right now. Should I? Emotional trader? Should I take shorts off of this? It would be like literally free bread. I'm not going to though. Take out London lows, take out London lows, take out London lows, take out London lows. Like I said, it would have been free bread. I like doing these type of videos way better because this is why I had to stop the streaming shit. I like doing this way better because I can say shit like that, like, oh, I want to see London lows get taken out, and I can say shit like, oh yeah, it's gonna be free bread, and people won't just like copy trade and then just be like, you know, I can say it. I can say whatever I want right now. I can say literally anything. Equal lows. Fuck, I want to take shorts. I might just take shorts. I'm kidding. But I really want to. Fuck. I want to. Fuck! Should I? No, it's not smart. But I want to.
Following this, he entered long after a candle was loose, and he couldn't believe his eyes.
Yes. Just go.
Yay, finally. Are we gonna go? Are we gonna go now? No? We might. It would be cool if we did. Hey. Nice. Nice. There you go. That would be awesome if we could just go up and hit the take profits. Man, and I gotta go pee again. Go. Go, 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 go. Bro, oh my god. Are you being so dead ass right now, dude? Look at these dojis, bro. Like, just be done. Oh my god. I'm literally going to start scrolling Instagram Reels again. Bro, for the past... When was this? 9:49. Yeah, pretty much for the past freaking hour, we've stayed in a 15-point range, bro. Imagine this just like goes to stop me out now. That would actually make me triggered, bro. Oh my god. Can we just break out of the freaking range? That's all that I want. Break out of the fucking range. Whether I get stopped out or hit take profit, I just want it to be done. Look at this price action, dude. So disgusting.
TJR would go on to lose $97,220. Meanwhile, in this next clip, he did the unthinkable.
We see the 15-minute S&T divergence. Where did I go wrong? No liquidity sweep. Stupid, stupid, stupid. And then, what caused me to enter the trade? Well, the plain and simple same old, same old. We had a break of structure, but the S&T hadn't formed yet.
TJR's hilarious comments tell how trading can be when you enter a losing streak. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you watch the next video on your screen.